Have you ever wondered how so many people reach 10,000 a month? It's not as hard as everyone says. The internet is full of information, but most of it is useless. Everyone wants to show you a fake picture just to sell you courses or projects that aren't worth anything. And honestly, I got tired of it because I was in your shoes once. My name is Agatha Fiala. In 2017, I was working as a delivery person, barely making ends meet, desperately looking for a way to improve my situation fast. And I found it. Today, I'm a professional trader. For 8 years, I've been testing strategies in financial markets, appearing on TV, publishing in top financial media, and consulting many successful investors. I want to help you understand what trading is and show you how to take your first steps. In this video, you will learn how to analyze the market and make informed decisions, even if you have no experience. The key to success is getting started. Watch this video until the end, and I'll share practical knowledge with you. Are you ready for a change? Then let's get started. Before we continue, I want to give you some important information, especially if you are a beginner. You are watching this video because you want to reach a new income level. But let's be honest, you can study strategies, read books, watch videos, or you can start getting returns today by copying my trades. I share my experience and market analysis in real time. In our community, people learn and exchange knowledge. Right now, there is an opportunity to join, and I want to see you there because I once needed the guidance myself. But here is the thing. I can't take everyone. I work with a limited number of people because I personally guide each beginner. Right now, access to the club is free, but I can't guarantee it will be available tomorrow. So pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment and join my trading community. Let's start moving forward together. Now, let's continue. Now, let's move on to the most interesting part, market analysis. I'm going to break down one of my strategies that works great for both beginners and those who are already familiar with financial market analysis. We will analyze market movements. I'm starting the analysis, and let's see where we end up by the end of this session. It's time to begin. First action. I see that the value was moving downward, but then it reversed, and now it's moving up, reaching new highs. We see growth potential and consider possible options. I also check the indicators. One of them is currently below the critical zone, meaning the asset is oversold. This suggests that the value will likely rise soon. On a slight correction, I consider opening a trade. A great start. Let's keep going. Moving on to the second analysis. Right now, the chart shows a downward trend, but the value has slightly corrected and entered a sideways range. This means the price is fluctuating within a narrow range without a clear upward or downward trend. It moves back and forth without breaking out. The analysis shows a potential opportunity for action. A strong start. It's motivating me to keep going. Continuing the trading session, I move to the third situation. Again, we see sideways movement and no clear trend. The perfect moment to enter a trade in such cases is when the price touches the upper boundary. Right now, that's exactly what's happening. The value is approaching the upper limits of the range. I'm considering opening a short position, and I also check the indicators. This is getting interesting. Let's continue the analysis. It's time to go back to the first pair. The value has hit a new high, but now a correction downward has begun. This is a natural market movement. I check the indicators. One of them shows a bounce, and I anticipate further decline. The second indicator also shows a reversal. Its lines are starting to diverge downward. The analysis suggests a potential correction, so I consider the options. Awesome! Moving forward, you've seen how I analyze the market, how I find entry points, and how I show the results of my analysis. Now you have two choices: try it on your own and risk losing your resources, or learn analytical methods with me. I've compiled the analysis methods I use in my work into a private community. Every day, members of my community study market analysis with me. I personally support every participant, so you won't be left alone. In my community, you get access to my live analytical sessions and ongoing support to strengthen your skills. Access to the club is free, but spots are limited. So pause this video right now, click the link in the description or pinned comment and join the community. Now let's continue. As we can see, this pair is still in a sideways range, but now the value has approached the lower boundary. Everything indicates a reversal, so I enter a long position. I check the indicators. One of them is near the lower level, showing a potential trend reversal soon. Very good, but we're just getting started, so let's continue. Switching to the next pair. The value has broken out of the sideways range downward, meaning the market has chosen a direction and the downtrend is likely to continue. I check the indicators. The lines are pointing downward, confirming the trend continuation. This line is also declining. We won't go against the trend. Everything suggests further decline, so I join the movement and open a short position. What do you think of this result? Shall we continue? Moving on to the next analysis. The chart shows a sharp drop. The value broke through the 1998 level with a strong impulse without building up volumes. Such movements often end in a false breakout, after which the value returns above the level. I check the indicators. They are already in the oversold zone, meaning the selling pressure is weakening. Everything indicates a reversal, so I enter a long position. We've done a great job and we are not stopping yet. I see the sideways movement is ending and the value is pressing against the lower level. This is a key moment. After the last bounce, the value quickly returned and didn't even reach the upper boundary of the range. This suggests weakness on the other side. If the level fails to hold, a strong impulse downward usually follows. So I open a short position expecting a breakout, and it happens. Alright, let's finish our analysis with one more trade. After a strong drop, a correction began and it looks like it will continue. I check the indicator, it has turned upward. The second one has also bounced off the lower level, meaning the value has exited the oversold zone and the opposite side is getting stronger to continue the upward move. There is a chance the value will retest the sideways range, so I enter a long position. Look at the results of our analysis. Impressive, right? But always remember risk percentages and take action only after thoroughly analyzing the charts. So what do you think about the results? Let me tell you something. Life is a series of decisions, and time is the only resource you can't get back. Imagine if you had started learning market analysis a year ago. Where would you be today? The good news is that it's never too late to start, especially when you have analytical methods that help even beginners understand the market. In my community, I host live sessions twice a day, explaining market analysis methods, so you can learn and grow alongside me. Right now, access to the community is open, so if you've been waiting for the right moment to start, this is it. You will get access to the exact methods I use, my live analytical sessions, and community support. But if you don't join now, the opportunity might not be available tomorrow. So pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment, and start learning market analysis right now.